Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shib news today. The US government said something shocking about Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu's calm price action is very different from what we've seen the last two sessions. On Monday, Shib fell as low as 0.840. USD airs about Binance's financial health spread through the crypto space. According to crypto news, the cryptocurrency market went up along with the rest of the market after US inflation numbers came in lower than expected on Tuesday. This made people less worried about how hard the Federal Reserve will continue tighten financial conditions in the coming months. We will talk about the shocking things the US government said about Shiba Inu coin, Shib news today in this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. From its low point on Monday to its high point on Tuesday in the 0.930s in dollars, Shib has gone up and down by about 11. But long-term price expectations are still negative because Shib's technicals don't look good. Shiba Inu could reach $0.1 and lose another zero after the decimal point before the end of 2022. It ate one more zero in October 2021. Price changes in other parts of the market are expected to set off this kind of rally between now and the end of 2022. It is possible for Shib to eat one more zero in 2022 if the market is going up. Why is that? Because there is a lot of excitement about Shib, as you can see from how its price changed in October and early November. Fear of losing out could cause Shib to rise by a couple thousand next year, because so many people think it will go up. Shiba Inu's price movement in 2023 will depend a lot on how the market did in 2022. If the market is going up in 2022, some of that strength could spread to Shib in 2023. However, if the market isn't very exciting in 2022, Shiba Inu might go through a correction phase in 2023. Shiba Inu is a meme coin, and almost everyone knows how it went through the roof last year and gave its users huge returns. Dogecoin was the first coin with a dog theme, and Shib is a cryptocurrency built on Ethereum that was released to compete with it. It has a strong group that kept the project going, even when the market was bad. Shib has a market value of more than $5 billion and a stock of more than $500 trillion. While Shiba Inu is good at dogs, it's not good at coins. The fact that the Shib coin works with the Ethereum doesn't mean that people will want to own and use it. It's not a surprise that Shib's price has dropped 9 since its all-time high in October 2021. There aren't any real competitive benefits in the crypto world and people are losing interest in it. Some investors might want to buy in with the hope that the price will go back up. But this is more like gambling than real investment. Tokens worth $589 trillion would be sent to the burn address today, making the Shib price once only 661 million Shib tokens, worth about $6,000 each, were burned in November. It's not very much. If we burn all of our Shiba Inu tokens, it will take at least 67,000 years for each one to be worth $1. As posted by the Shibburn Twitter account, which is a well-known burn tracking service, there has been a big rise in the burn rate of Shib over the last 24 hours. More than 700. Also, Shib, a well-known meme coin, is no longer in the top 10 list of the biggest wallets on the Ethereum chain. Shibburn's website says that the burn rate of Shiba Inu has gone up by a huge 706 in the last 24 hours. After 16,037,016 Shib were sent to Inferno wallets, this took place. The largest burn transaction had 8,495,098 Shiba Inu in it and was sent by an address that ended in FFDA. Based on the information shared, this week's overall amount burned will not be more than 100 million meme coins. Willstats Tracker collects information about wallets on many popular blockchains, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and others. In the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu 9 crypto has been taken off the list of the top 10 assets owned by Ethereum's 100 biggest whales. Since this is the second time this month that it has happened, whales now have the most mana, steth. Their stock is now made up of 35.15 NSA, Women and 34.2 of steth. Still, Shib keeps getting more people until it is thousands. The number of people who own a Shib has gone up by about 1,000 in the last 24 hours, from 1,265,003 to 1,266,039 now. You Today reported earlier this week that the number of Shib holders also went up by a lot in just one day. CoinMarketCap data shows that the price of Shib has dropped to $0.8616, a loss of $3.37 in the last 24 hours. There is a chance that the price of Shiba Inu is about to go down. There are early signs that the bulls will fail. If things stay the same in the market, Sweep the Lows event will happen soon. Shiba Inu prices are staying the same as the well-known joke coin stays within a 10 range every week. A negative cross was seen on the daily chart on December 13th when the 21-day simple moving average crossed over the 8-day exponential moving average. Shib stayed below the line. On shorter time frames, the bulls have been turned back near the $0.900 barrier since the warning. Straight line traders often call bearish crosses death crosses, as they cause sharp selling when they cross from the slower moving average to the faster one. Shiba Inu is worth $0.885 right now. If the market is really going down, there will be no need for the second retest of the cross signs. If the December 13 low at $0.861 is broken, it could start a bear rally with the November swing low at $0.817 as its goal. This would mean a 7 drop, as long as bulls stay away from the November low. Shib is likely to set new all-time lows in the next few weeks. To think about going after higher goals, there needs to be a bullish try at the December 13 swing, high at $0.932. Bulls can take down the block and turn it into support for Shib. The price could rise as high as the November 10 swing high of $0.1055. If things go up, the price of Shiba Inu would go up by 19. Shiba Inu, the second most popular joke coin in the world, is once again making headlines. As of Wednesday, December 14, the Shib price had gone up by 7 and trade had gone up by 28. This took place after Shiba Inu maker Satoshi Kusama made changes to his Twitter account. This is what Kusama wrote in his Twitter bio on the first day my true love gave to me. This is a line from the song The 12 Days of Christmas. People in the Shib community have started to figure it out and think that a big update for Shibarium will happen this Christmas. Shibarium is a blockchain platform that lets developers and users make the most of the Shiba Inu blockchain technology that is already in place. Shiba Inu can use it as a Layer 2 blockchain tool. Shibarium wants to build the groundwork for adding more things to the Shiba Inu environment, like DEX, blockchain games, metaverse, and more. People who are fans of Kusama were quick to notice that hint that there might be a big news coming soon. A lot of people want to know if the Shiba Inu makers are going to give a better Christmas present. However, Kusama has decided to keep quiet about the whole thing. So for now, these are just guesses about how the Shibarium turned out. The current rise in the price of Shib is also due to whale accumulation. New information from Etherscan shows that the Shiba Inu whale has gathered an amazing $1.92 trillion Shib, which is equal to about $17.07 million. The Shib cryptocurrency went through a big drop during the crypto winter of 2022. But companies are still making goods and services that use it. Bahraini payment service EasyPay teamed up with Binance Pay